Need help?
Mm-hmm.
我就上来踩着这上面。
For a job, the more difficult your hiring can be. And that can make the process, well, not so merry for you. Thankfully, there's ZipRecruiter, which you can try right now for free at ZipRecruiter.com/hire. ZipRecruiter's powerful technology finds the right candidates for your job. But unlike other sites, ZipRecruiter...
I get this for free at auction, like the one on bed.
What's that?
For bed. You want?
No, thank you. We already have.
It's an individual. ZipRecruiter makes hiring the right person easy, and that'll keep you and everyone else very merry.
4 out of 5 employers who post on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. So try ZipRecruiter for free today at ZipRecruiter.com/hire. That's right, free. Once again, that's ZipRecruiter.com/hire. ZipRecruiter.com/hire.
I'm on a ride along with
Careful.
from LBA Home Services. Brad, can't help but notice you're going 60. Yep, in a 60 zone. Exactly 60. That's right. You know, most people go faster than 65. That would be a 5-mile-an-hour deviation. Pretty close. Close, it doesn't cut it. Remember, LBA Home Services. And perfect is our minimum standard. But surely, when you're replacing a water heater, you have to get the supply lines installed perfectly. Not close, perfect. The drain is actually drain where it's supposed to drain.
What's
Not
that?
Close, perfect. Most
Trash.
plumbers couldn't hack it at LBA. Our team, absolute perfectionists. We all think the same way. It's either perfect or it's not finished yet. Sometimes it takes a bit longer. We won't be rushed. So, you know, 60. I get it. Once in a while, to remember. LBA Services.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, okay. 大家好，我是慧，欢迎大家来到我的频道。我老公说前面有户人家扔那个洗衣机，嗨，那边有人还给我看不好意思了。
Okay. It's always like the tool you need is not handy.
You can fix it, you think?
Yeah, it just needs the screw. Then you just do it like this. Here, watch. I'll fix right now, so it don't hurt me.
Careful.
She's loose.
Oh, you scared me.
This goes right here.
Put on the.
I don't want to lose, but okay. Make it lighter. Yeah, see this one very good.
Still work?
They said it good. Just need cleaning.
Oh.
You see this screw? See if you see one more.
Oh, maybe you have somewhere. You still have somewhere.
What you mean?
You have the screw.
Screw? Maybe.
Screw.
Put everything there. You have trash bag? Do I have trash bag?
I don't have none.
Okay, I'm going to back up. present for you.
Thank you.
Oh, look, I go shopping for you. You need some food? I get you healthy stuff.
Rubber.
I get you vegetable. Here, you want to hold?
Okay, I hold.
You hold?
Okay.
Since you are a princess. You want? You want to make ice?
No, it's through all.
I- Looks like something by my mouth shake well.
It's against the law. I mean, I've had it happen many times. They say, hey, I understand. They always come out and tell me the same thing. I understand where you're coming from, but
Nothing we can do.
You know what I'm saying? You got to go downtown, go through the steps. So I got to go through the steps. I got to go pay that money just to
Get your own
somebody
place
out of my
back.
house.
And by the time you get it back, and then they strip it, you know, you got thousands and thousands of dollars.
Right.
I'm like, okay, I can handle this real quick and easy.
Right.
All right, I'm not gonna pay for this joker. I'll try to help him out maybe once. All right. Easy.
Easy? There.
Oh,
Still have some.
to open.
Heavy.
I got to make room.
For you, easy. For me, too heavy.
Okay. Oh, you help now.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so wonderful. Oh, you want pickles? You like pickle?
No, thank you.
Oh, much medicine.
There.
Ooh, butter. Okay.
Be careful. My Superman. Robert, do you think this will still work? This one?
I think it works very good.
This one we need?
Always need water heater.
Too heavy. Good job.
Thank you.
Wonderful.